Hello and welcome to Elif's Kitchen. Today, I want to share a recipe for very light, crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, cornmeal crusted fried eggplant. To stay updated on my new recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications by pressing the bell icon. I have 5 medium-sized eggplants. If you use smaller eggplants, the shape and appearance will be much nicer. I'm peeling the eggplants in stripes. Then, as you can see in the video, I'm slicing them depending on the thickness of the eggplant. So I'm not cutting them all the way through. As you can see, I've divided them in half down the middle. But I didn't cut them completely. I'm putting them into a bowl of salted water. I cover them with a plate and wait for about 15 to 20 minutes for them to release their bitterness. Then I took them to a colander and washed the eggplants. I'm boiling some water in a pot. I added a level tablespoon of salt and stirred it. I'm adding the eggplants to it. I'm covering them with a heat-resistant plate so that the eggplants stay submerged in the water and cook evenly, softening up. After it starts boiling, I'm only blanching them for about 5 minutes. I won't soften them too much, just until they are slightly tender. Then I took them into a colander and rinsed them with cold water. Gently, as you can see, I'm squeezing them with my hand without distorting their shape. I'm placing them on a plate. I took about a bowlful of cornmeal into a shallow plate. I add a small amount of salt and mix it. I'm coating my blanched eggplants in cornmeal. As you can see, ensuring they are coated all over. Then I shake off the excess cornmeal and place them on a plate. I'm preparing all of them this way. I added about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil to the pan and heated it. I'm placing the eggplants in it. Since I didn't add much oil, it's very light this way. I'm also not using eggs. This way, it turns out to be a light and delicious fry. I placed the eggplants. I'm frying them over medium-low heat. I easily flip them with the lid of a fish pan. As you can see, you can flip them this way too. I flipped them. I added about 2 more tablespoons of oil to the pan. I'm adding the flipped eggplants back onto it. I'm waiting for these sides to also brown over medium-low heat. Look, they've browned very nicely. I'm putting them on a serving plate. I want to serve them hot, they're much better when hot. If you wish, you can consume them plain like this. If you wish, you can consume them by adding tomato sauce on top. I had prepared winter sauce before. The winter sauce, the video of which is also on my channel. I'm putting about a tablespoon of it on top. I'm putting garlic yogurt on the other 2 eggplants. You can serve them in both ways. You can do it however you like it. The fried eggplant is ready for serving. I also recommend you try it. Good luck to those who will try it. Enjoy your meal.